Hi, Bella.
Hi, Bella. I'm Melody, the massage therapist, and we're baking with Bella her yummy chocolate
Cookie
recipe.
Yeah, chocolate cookie recipe.
But we only have the butter for like a half a recipe, so we're cutting it all in half to make a smaller batch. There we go.
So
what do you do? What do you do, Bella?
Okay. So.
Oh, and say thank you, Kayla, for being our camera girl.
Oh, thank you for coming, Kayla.
You're welcome. Hi again.
Okay, so we are going to get the booter, which is, what should we do?
The what?
How much butter are we doing?
Butter. So it calls for 1 1/4 cups. So we're gonna use like a half a cup and a couple spoonfuls
Of that. So first we cream together 1 cup of butter, or if you do like, what would it be if you put that in? 1 second.
1 1/4 is 1/2 plus 1/8 of a cup.
Okay, then you cream together the sugar and the butter, softened butter, together for like 2 minutes until it's nice and fluffy. Like fluffy slime, but less fluffy slime and more ingredients.
So you soften the butter for 2 minutes?
Yeah.
I mean, not soften it, you mix it
You
with
like
the sugar?
You make it nice and fluffy. Like when it gets stuck to the thing, you stop it, you get a spatula, and then you like scrape the butter off the thing. Like that. Go. That was amazing. I did not just drop this. Fluffy-ish. I'm too not to break this. Okay. Once it's like that consistency, you beat in the eggs and the vanilla. So.
How much? 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla?
Wait, give me a second.
And then what happens? You keep it going. Go ahead, keep it going.
Okay, then we just let that sit for like 2 minutes while we get all the dry ingredients together.
Okay, we'll be right back.
1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Actually, I should probably put this in here. Okay. And then 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then we put that into, we have to take half of that. And that would be
1/4 teaspoon. Do 1/3 of a cup of cocoa.
1/3. For some reason, I really like to like always sift out the cocoa, just because I just feel safer that way.
Oh wait, if you just sift it, go over this.
I know, I did that. I was putting it there while I was measuring this out. And there we go. Bloop. There we go. So we just whisk this together until it's all together.
Now, Bella, what are you doing?
We add all the dry ingredients in for the cookies. And then once it's all mixed together, we add in the chocolate chips for it. Which I don't even measure out the chocolate chips. I just put like a whole bag of it in there.
Oh, that's cool.
By this doing half the recipe, we can put half a bag of it.
I like your theory. So how long do you mix it?
Until it's like all mixed together. And there's like nothing on the walls of the bowl. It might take a second.
So what are you doing, Bella?
I'm adding the chocolate chips in. That was fun to say.
And you just add the whole bag?
I'm just gonna go with the whole bag because it's a small bag.
That's true.
And all the chips are like that big, so. Alright, now that's all mixed in. Now let's get this up. I should probably move this. There we go. Okay, let's move this over here. Okay. Now, these get like really sticky. So I like to put like some flour in my hands, just keep it in a bowl next to me. So, like, it's supposed to just stick to my hands and then stick everywhere. So I just like kind of throw it on my hands. Oh, I just thought of my friend. She hates the feeling of flour on her hands. It's so funny.
Oh, she does?
Yeah, she goes, ugh.
And you don't have to grease your cookie sheet?
No, it doesn't stick.
That's good.
But if you feel like it's going to stick, you can, but I don't really do that. Ah!
Well, that's good.
Sweet, which cookie?
So you roll it and then do you squish it down?
No, it will squish down on its own. Or, it depends on what type you do. Like if you make a double recipe, it might squish down on its own, or you might have to squish it down because it's bigger and has more stuff in it. But
Okay.
oh my god,
The temperature of the oven.
350. And you're gonna cook it, if you're doing the half recipe like us, you're gonna cook it for 5 to 6 minutes.
Oh, that's all?
Yeah.
Nice.
But if you're not doing enough recipe, it's 8 to 10.
Wait, I have a feeling no matter what size, you have the same amount of time in the oven, even if it's a half a batch. So,
I always do half either way. So.
oh, you do like 5 minutes so they're a little chewier?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'd recommend
Most of my mouth.
8 minutes for the cookies. Only because these are a little gooey. These are really yummy. But if you want them done, 8 minutes, okay, Bella? She's going, no, I want them 5 minutes so they're nice and gooey. All right, enjoy your cookies. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh,